Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video you are gonna learn how to make your Tinder account global. In initial time when you created your account you will find only your local people or your country people. So when you make it global, then you will find other cities or other countries people in your Tinder account or Tinder apps. So how can you make this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So you can see here Tinder, this is the apps. Just click on your Tinder apps, and now you have to click here at left top corner your profile. Just click on that, and then here you can see it's your profile. So you have settings, so simply click on settings. Then wait a second. Okay, here you can see scroll down little bit, and then here you can see the option going global will allow you to see people nearby and from around the world. So it's turn off now, so simply click on that and it will become a turn off. Okay, so okay friend, I hope this video was helpful and short tutorial for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Today is no more. Thank you for watching this tutorial.